register with new Gmail. Okay, click here, then provide basic data, email, first name, second name, and city and zip code, then click submit. Okay, click domain. From add a new domain, first time download the plugin and install the plugin. Click download. Okay, go the website and add a new plugin. Okay, upload the plugin. Now click install. Now click activate. Now plugin activated successfully. So go the website and provide here the WordPress user access, WordPress domain name, provide URL where the domain dot your extension, must follow the URL, then provide the username and password, your WordPress username and your WordPress password. Click the one niche of this author, one niche, that means one user, one niche. Now click the add a new domain. Okay, click the check connection. This is failed because as there was no user in this what we have added. So add a new user, click all provide data, then must provide the author permission and add a user. Okay, now refresh this page and click check connection. Now connection is connected, that means your website is ready to publish a new post. Now create a new post. Okay, 100,000 word post. Okay, adding a new category, as there was no category in my website, so I am going the post and click the category and adding a new category and choosing now new category. Okay, fine. Okay, now providing a title, that means a keyword, and choosing the subheading and FAQ. I'm choosing the subheading and FAQ. Then if you need video, then click the video, then provide the format one. Then I want to schedule this post, so click the schedule and select the time. After 2 hours it will be post, so same date after 2-3 hours. So create a new article. Okay, article was ready in my website, check the scheduled. So copy the meta. I am doing SEO now, so copy the meta and paste here. Now focus keyword, copy and paste here. So check the SEO is good and readability good. Now update the post. So our content is almost 100% SEO from the used SEO plugin, 100% SEO optimized content. So now I am checking the plagiarism of the content, so copy this content and paste here. Now check the plagiarism. %100% unique article. So happy vlogging, bye now.